Throughout our lives, we all experience things we wish we could change. As we grow older and mature, we sometimes forget to nurture the child within us. We get swept up into our work, our responsibilities, and the world around us, and sometimes our own inner child may suffer in response. Getting in touch with your inner child is a simple and powerful way to ease the pain caused by childhood trauma and neglect. Find a quiet space, somewhere where you will not be disturbed. You may sit or lie down, as long as you can be relaxed and comfortable. Breathe in through your nose, slowly and deeply. Hold it for only a moment before breathing out through your nose again. Focus on the rhythm of this cycle of breath as your chest rises and falls. Imagine yourself cloaked in light. You choose the color or colors. This light starts at the top of your head, at your crown chakra. It extends up towards the heavens, connecting you to the divine intuition and wisdom of the universe. Now, imagine a cord tied to the base of your spine, to your root chakra. This cord travels deep down into the earth. It wraps itself around the core of the earth, connecting you to the power and stability of this planet. You are now open to receive the knowledge of the universe, and you will benefit from the strength of the earth. The light begins to travel through your body, from the crown of your head. As it fills the different parts of your body, you can feel your stress melting away. The light fills your head at first, relieving the stress from your forehead and your jaw. It travels down into your neck, your shoulders, your arms, and you can feel any tension leaving. The light then travels down through your chest and your stomach, relieving any lingering discomfort, before it finally reaches down into your legs. You should now feel completely and utterly relaxed. You can feel yourself sinking deeper into your position. Any stress, concerns, and worries are now miles away. You are at peace, and you are safe. Now, imagine that you are standing somewhere you once loved as a child. It can be anywhere. A park, your childhood home, or perhaps even an imaginary place that you had once dreamed up in your youth. See it now in detail. What does it look like? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? Go there now and take a moment to walk through it. Remember that there is only peace in this space. As you walk through this place, you can see a figure before you. You approach, and you recognize it as you in your childhood. What is your child self's posture? Notice whether they look angry, or sad, or scared. This child self signifies you at your most wounded moment in childhood. Notice how old you are here. Sit or kneel to be eye level with yourself. Gently ask them to tell you what is wrong. Tell them that it is safe and that they can tell you anything and everything they want to. Ask them what they need. Now, ask them to tell you what they need from you, how you can help them. What are they missing? What did they never receive or hear that they need to receive or hear now? Give your child self whatever they said they needed, be it a hug, reassurance, or anything you can give to them to heal them. Once you have spoken to your inner child, take them by the hand. With a smile, walk side by side with them through the space you two are in. You notice that your child self begins to feel happier. They walk prouder, with their head up, and they smile at you. As you two walk along, you start to see something appear in front of you. You notice that it is something that excites your child self. What is it? Is it a toy, a game, or perhaps a childhood pet or friend? Whatever it is, go to it with your inner child. Play with them and with this new discovery. Lose yourself in the excitement and joy, feeling waves of happiness pour from both of you. As you enjoy this time with your inner child, pay attention to how happy they are, how happy you have made them. Feel this contentment spreading through your entire being. This release may make you smile, cry, perhaps even tremble. Whatever your reaction, it is all okay. You are safe, and your feelings are valid. You see your child self take a break from their play. They come to you, checking on you as your joy consumes you. Feel such a sense of awe at their concern, at how they are looking to heal you in turn, and take them once again by the hand. Promise them that you are all right, and thank them for caring about you. Tell them now that you will always hear them, that you will never forget them, and that you are so thankful to them for being brave enough to talk to you about what they needed. It is now time to bid your child self goodbye and part ways with smiles on both of your faces. Notice that your child self is calm in your departure and remains next to its toy, pet, or friend, continuing to play with contentment and joy. They feel lighter now, and so do you. You may now leave your special space. Begin to come back into your body. Focus on the feelings in your legs and in your arms. Although you start to feel your body more now, you are still peaceful. You are still free of tension and stress. Take some time now to sit with what you have experienced here. When you awake fully, make it an effort to have more fun in life. You may even choose to revisit the games you once loved in childhood. Be sure to invite your child self along with you whenever you lose yourself in excitement and fun. Soon, You will see that your inner child no longer wants. They are content, and they will repay you in the most wonderful of ways. And whenever you feel you need to speak with your inner child face to face, come back to this special space and speak with them. When you are ready, open your eyes.